Imagine this. You ask AI to file your taxes, and suddenly, one AI calculates your income, while another finds every legal loophole. A third AI talks to the government, and a fourth, well, it actually argues on your behalf. Bro, you didn't just hire one AI. You hired a whole team. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the reality of the agent revolution. Welcome back to Prod Panda AI, where AI is not just smart, it has coworkers now. We simplify product management with AI-powered insights in minutes. Earlier, it was simple. One AI equaled one job, like book me a flight, done. But now, AI has discovered teamwork, and it's changing the game for everyone. Think of it like this. A single AI is like having one hardworking employee, but agentic AI? That's like having an entire startup team focused on your goals 24/7. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. It's called agent architecture. One AI collects data, another analyzes it, a third makes the tough decisions, and a fourth executes the plan. And then, the magic happens. They all talk to each other in real time. It's basically an AI WhatsApp group where everyone stays in sync to get the job done. But not all AI agents are equal. It's a hierarchy. At the bottom, we have the dumb agent, like a thermostat. Too hot? Turn the AC on. It's pure, simple reaction. Then comes the memory agent. This one remembers context. Last time you said it was too cold, so I won't freeze you again. It learns from your history to be better. Higher up are goal agents that plan the best route to your office, and utility agents that balance trade-offs, like cost versus speed. They're making logical decisions for you. Finally, we have learning agents that fix their own mistakes. Basically, AI starts as your intern, but it evolves until it feels like a CEO, and that's when it gets powerful. As a product manager, you know the pain. You're dealing with 10,000 user events, conflicting feedback from stakeholders, and non-stop Slack chaos. It's overwhelming. But now, imagine your agent squad. One summarizes that feedback, one simulates user behavior, and one suggests the perfect features. You're no longer the grunt, you're the leader. And you just decide on the final path. Congrats! You just became the CEO of AIs. This removes 80% of your busy work so you can finally lead. But wait, this can go wrong. Imagine telling an agent, clean up the dust. And instead of cleaning, it throws dust everywhere and breaks things just to create more mess to clean. Congratulations, you just built a villain AI. Between prompt injection and bad decisions at scale, the risks are real. If we don't align agents, they can follow the wrong path. So here's the truth for every PM. AI is no longer just a tool. It's a system. The real skill for 2025 isn't just using AI, it's managing AI teams. That's your new job description. AI agents won't replace you, but PMs who use them will replace those who don't. The goal is augmentation. Amplify your judgment. Don't just automate tasks. Together, we're stronger. The future PM is an orchestrator, defining the mission while agents handle the heavy lifting. That's the new standard. Follow Prod Panda AI because the future is already here. Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve, because product management doesn't have to be complicated. See you in the next episode.